Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Tech Day, and today in this video I'll be showing the best IPS that you can get for your iPhone. So before getting started with this video, make sure to hit that red button below and don't forget to tap on the bell icon to get the quick notifications about our new uploads, and make sure to follow us on Facebook page to get the latest tech info. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, before getting into the video, I want to show how to install the IPS on the iPhone. So to do that, you need the PC or Mac, and you need to install the CDI Impactor, for which link is available in the description. So once you have done with that, now you need to do what is just connect your device to your PC or Mac. Then you need to simply open the CDI Impactor, and now you need to download the required IPA. Just after downloading the required IPA, now just drag and drop the IPA file onto the CDI Impactor window. Now it will ask for the Apple ID and the password, just enter it and the file will be installed on your device. Once you have done that, you need to press the application, then you are almost done. Now you will be able to use the application. So I'll be showing how to do that, just moving on to my Mac. So guys, now I'll be showing how to install the IPS on the iPhone. First open the CDI Impactor. Now you will be seeing this window. Just connect your iPhone to your PC or Mac. Then you need to do what is just download the IPA that you want to install on your device. Here is the website called olar2099.net, for which link is available in the description. I have also given the link for the CDI Impactor in the description. Now here you can see you have lots of IPA files. Just download one. Once you have done, you need to do what is just drag and drop the IPA that you want to install on the iPhone. After you are doing this, it will ask you to enter the Apple ID and the password. Just after entering the Apple ID and password, it will simply start the installation process. Once you are done with the installation process, just move on to your iPhone and just trust the application from the settings, moving on to the general, and there you will be seeing the option called as profiles and device management. Over there, just click on the trust application. Then after doing that, you will be able to use the IPA file that you have installed using the CDI Impactor. So this is how you will be installing the IPS on the iPhone. So now let us get back to the iPhone. The first IPA that I will be showing is called iTransmission. So this is the best application to download and get the torrent files on the iPhone. So just open this application. After opening, you will be seeing there is a icon, plus icon over here. Just click on that. Then now you will be seeing the three options: web, magnet and URL. So I am here going on to click on the web. After that, you will be taken to the Google. Then over there, search for the torrent website. After searching for the torrent website, just find out the torrent file that you want to download and just click on the torrent file download. After that, it will automatically start downloading on the iTransmission. Once it is done, you will be able to play the video or whatever the torrent file that you have downloaded. So this is the best way to get the torrent files on your iPhone. I've already made this video on how to get the iTransmission for your iPhone, but the method that I have shown in my previous video was not working because the iTransmission application has been removed from the Quickbox. But you'll be able to get this application by the method I've shown in this video just now. So you'll be able to use that method and you'll be able to download the IPS on the device. Now let us move on to the next IPA, and it is really useful for those devices which will not allow you to use the night shift. Especially with the case of iPhone 5, you will be not able to use the night shift. So the next IPA is called as Good Night. So when you click on this is similar to the night shift on our devices. So here you can see you have lots of options like temperature, brightness, color. When you click on the temperature, you will be able to adjust the temperature of the screen according to the lighting conditions. That is, if it is a daytime, you can just select on the daytime, nighttime and bedtime. You can also adjust the color of the screen according to the location, according to the time. If you want to do it manually, you will be able to do it from over here. As you can see, you have lots of options over here. And similarly, you have lots of options like for adjusting the brightness as well, and even color, as you can see. So let us move on to the next IPA, and it is called as Cool Pixel. This is the best screen recording app for the iPhone. So when you open this application, you have lots of options like screen recorder, camera recorder and video editor as well. So when you click on the screen recorder, it will automatically start recording. It will ask for you to set the orientation. Here I am selecting the Patroid. Then once you have done, it will automatically start recording, as you can see. So this is the best recording application that I have seen for the iPhone, that is screen recording application for the iPhone. So it is really interesting. You can also edit the video in this application as well. So when you click on the stop recording, it will be automatically saved into this application. So the next IPA that I will be showing is what you see. So let us open this application, and it will provide lots of options for your WhatsApp Messenger. As you can see, I am able to use the Touch ID as well, which you will be not able to do usually. You can use the password as well as the Touch ID. So when you move on to the settings, Here you will see the separate option called as what you see preferences. Just click on this and you have lots of options like privacy, protection, chat add-ons, other add-ons, media, user interface. You can change the user interface. You can also add the custom theme. So if you want to set the touch ID, just move on to the protection. Here you can see the use touch ID. If you want to set passcode, or else if you want to delete the passcode, you can do from over here. You can also add the chat protection. You have lots of options. This is the best and good alternate for the WhatsApp. So this is best IPA that you can get for the iPhone. So let us move on to the next IPA, and it is called as Aero TV. Using this application you will be able to watch the live TV, as you can see. So let us open this application. So as you can see, you have almost all channels that you want. Here we have the sections like sports, kids, featured, and you can see you have lots of channels over here. Just click on the respective channel in order to play. So this is the best way to get the live channels on your iPhone. So guys, these are some of the best IPS that you can get for your iPhone. Hope you guys like this video, and don't forget to hit that like button below, and I'll see you guys in our next one. Take care.